Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to delete a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the most recent version of the app. Whether you shared something by mistake or simply want to clean up your profile, these steps will show you exactly how to remove a post in just a few seconds. First, open the X app on your phone, allow it a moment to load your home feed. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the main navigation menu where you can access your personal profile, a list, bookmarks, and settings. From that menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you straight to your X profile page where all your posts, replies, and media appear. Scroll through your timeline until you find the post you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure it's the right one, since once deleted, a post cannot be recovered. When you found the post, look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see three small dots arranged vertically. Tap on them to open a quick options menu. This menu includes several actions you can take, such as pinning the post, adding it to a bookmark, or copying the link. Among those options, select Delete Post. After you tap Delete Post, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Tap delete once more to confirm your choice. In just a moment, the post will be permanently removed from your profile and will no longer appear to your followers or in any searches. That's it. You've successfully deleted a post from X. Doing this is a simple way to keep your profile organized, clean, and exactly how you want it to appear. If you ever share something and change your mind later, you now know how to remove it quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for watching.